I was single for so long, and but you just tired for use the rose between me and you. It's just like, yeah, the rose nice, and not the rose, my like a toy, right? Not the rose, because I'm not too like the rose, but I only like the rose on TikTok. But I did I get tired of the thing, I'm just say, yo, I'm single for way too long, and I'm a person like when I'm single, I'm not gonna do the run up and down, or hop from dick to dick. I don't do stuff like that, right? Especially like me, if I really, really like you. So, me end up link one of the G them I used to talk to, I know say never disappoint me in the bedroom yet, you know, and he been like chasing me for years. I just never did pay him no mind until, you know, when they get single and lonely at like a time, and they just make a little call and so. And, you know, we start talk up back and something. Just have conversation because, you know, like we can't just jump and just a boom. So, have some conversations and thing and link up and do. And then after that, it's just like him start text every day. And I say, yo, like, we already been through this, and like it's a reason why we did break up. Like, man, I look for come back. Why does I look for come get a little eat and run? Don't tell nobody. Yeah, when you see that like that guy eat me.
Frat up.
But you know, I just, you know, desperate times call for desperate measures. The fuck? Don't judge me. And then always judge me too. Don't judge me. I never knew. It's not a new body count.
Well, I'm gonna check that thing.
And it was nice. It was nice. But I never want to engage back in that one. Well, my body count is start truth. But I didn't want to engage back into a relationship with him or with nobody or no ex.